So if you're experiencing battery drain issues on your Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, I'm going to be going over 7 different fixes. Now, the first thing you should always do is see if your phone is due for an update, which can always take care of issues, not just the battery, but any glitches or software glitches your phone might be having. So all you got to do is go to your settings, down to the about phone, and then see if there is a software update that you need to do. Okay, the next thing you should do is close all the background running apps. Now, if you've opened up like 10 or 12 apps, they're usually still running in the background. So you would actually just click the back button right here, swipe up, close them all out. That'll definitely help you out. Another thing you could do is turn on put app to sleep. Now, this is a newer feature on most phones, but it actually does help. Obviously, if you're running an always on display on your phone, you definitely want to disable this as it will eat at your battery. Another thing you do is turn on dark mode/night mode. Now, this actually will save a little bit of battery as well. You can do it in your display settings. Another tip is to reduce the screen resolution on your phone. Now, you'll need to do this in your display settings, but when you do this, it's another thing that could help you. Obviously, if after you've tried all these things, nothing's working, you'd always do a factory reset as a last resort. I know no one wants to do that, but it could also help the problem. You could also go into your battery settings on your Motorola and turn on some of the power saving modes if the issue is still there. But I think that wraps it up. So those are 7 different things you guys could try out. Hope it helps you out. I also want to point out that you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.